So let's check and see what I've got. And check out my little system. So I've got this in just a little burlap bag. This is, let's see what brand this is. This is a Stadelhorn titanium stove, and it goes together basically in several pieces, but I'll show you how it works here in just a second. Let me put it together for you guys. So it goes together like such. It slides in, each piece slides in there. You got this, which is your bottom piece. That slides in like such. Got 3 notches. And then this piece slides in here. Slides down. I think you're set. And there we go, like that. And then basically you've got your stove set up. So it's got a cross here, so what you can do, or goal, is you can build a fire. And you got to get everything square and level. There we go. Set your cup or whatever you're doing right there. Today we've got some soup. And build it, do your thing, go. So what we're going to do, we're going to build our fire in here and work it through. Stay with me, guys. Got a ferro rod. Got my SEJG5. We're just going to see. All right. See if we can shove that in there. Whoopsies. We're just going to set it on the fire. I bet you it's going to get warm quick. We're just going to stir that bad boy. Again, set that over here. Set the lid on top. And the one thing about the woods, a little dirt never hurt. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty, the coals and stuff like that. And if you want a little bit hotter fire, the cool thing is you can start sticking these itty-bitty little things in, and they'll catch fire and they'll get warm. It's so quiet in here, I love it. I haven't talked enough about this cup. Man, it is just a great little cup. It actually comes with the bottle, comes with the cup, comes with this. It actually comes in like a little case, and it came with these utensils and like a little thing to hold over the fire. So, but man, it works great. It's got little markings in here. I mean, this just works on like a great little camping trip or like little day hike like I've got. The soup can fits right over the top of it. So, I mean, it's pretty wonderful. So I've had great luck. It's got these little things that fold out, so you can pick it up. I would still wear gloves or have something to pick it up with, because that does get real hot. But these work great. I mean, I've had this for, golly, about 1.5 years now. It works really good. And it's Dave Canterbury's. It's the PathFinder one. So pick it up if you can. Oh, also, lid has little strainers. I mean, it's really well designed. So PathFinder gear is definitely the way to go.